You're not lazy, you're just living in a world that never lets your mind rest long enough to focus. Every sound, every notification, every flashing video is pulling your attention apart, one tiny piece at a time. And finally, when it's quiet, you don't know what to do with yourself anymore. The truth is, you're not unmotivated, you're overstimulated. And the constant noise around you has tricked your brain into thinking that rest equals boredom and boredom equals failure. We call ourselves lazy when we can't focus, when we can't start that one task we've been putting off for days. But laziness isn't the problem. Your brain is exhausted from switching contexts 100 times a day, from TikTok to texts to emails to thoughts to guilt and then back again. It's like running a marathon inside your head every single day without realizing it. You're not avoiding work, you're trying to recover from this invisible fatigue. Our brains weren't designed for this much stimulation. Every scroll, every ping, and every like gives us a tiny hit of dopamine, the same neurotransmitter that drives motivation. But here's the twist. The more artificial dopamine you get, the less motivated you feel. Because your brain adapts, it learns to crave instant reward. So sitting down to write, to read, or to think deeply feels like withdrawal. That's why people say, I can't focus anymore. It's not that you can't, it's that your brain's reward system has been hijacked. Overstimulation doesn't always look chaotic. Sometimes it's just numbness. You scroll through your phone, not even enjoying it, just keeping yourself from being alone with your thoughts. But that numbness in your mind is begging for silence. It's your system saying, I need to feel something real again. So how do you fix it? You don't need more motivation. You need less noise. Start by lowering your input. That means silence, real silence. Try taking a walk without your phone. Read one page instead of scrolling for 10 minutes. Breathe before you open another app. You'll notice just how addicted you are to distraction, and that awareness alone is the beginning of control. Rest isn't watching Netflix until 2 a.m. Rest is allowing your nervous system to slow down. It's sitting on your balcony, watching light move across your room, listening to the rain without background music. You're not lazy for needing rest. You're human for needing quiet. And in that quiet, something incredible happens. Your mind starts to want again. Not the quick dopamine wants, but the deep ones. The ones that pull you towards creation, growth, and peace. So next time you call yourself lazy, stop. Ask yourself if you're actually just overstimulated, overwhelmed by too much input, too little stillness. Because maybe your brain isn't broken, maybe it's just tired of running, and what you need isn't another productivity hack, it's recovery. Silence is not a waste of time. It's where you meet yourself again. This is the intellectual library where we slow down so you can finally hear yourself think.